Hi and welcome again to the CodeMaven channel. My name is Gabor Sabo, and this time we are going to talk about contributing to an open source project, and specifically to a Perl-based open source project that's an actually live website. So probably you're familiar with the MetaCPAN website. If not, then welcome to the website. This is the place where all the CPAN modules are shown. You can see all the documentation of all the modules, the dependencies, and lots of information. Now let me enlarge a little bit because, well, some people don't see that well, like me. Okay, so this is the MetaCPAN website. Here you can search for modules, you can read the documentation. So it's a nice interface in the end. And this project itself is an interesting project, and you can contribute to it, and you can learn a lot from contributing to the website. And one of the very interesting things that I really like about the idea of contributing to a project like MetaCPAN is that every contribution you make immediately or not immediately, but once it's being deployed, is going to be accessed and used by millions of people who use MetaCPAN. So if you visit the website, on the main website, there is a link to the About link, I think, yes. And then in the About link, you can read all kind of things about how the MetaCPAN is being maintained and so on, and what it is. But the interesting part here is that there is a link to development, and in development, again, I need to enlarge this. The fonts are really small. So here you can read what is the stack, so what kind of things it uses. Obviously it uses Perl, and then it uses Catalyst, which is a web framework, and lots of other things that you can find here. Elasticsearch is the search engine behind it. So these are the things that you need to know, or you will learn while you would like to contribute. Of course, there are all kind of things that you can do. So when you like to know what can you contribute and how can you contribute, the first thing that you should go is come here and read the description here. Obviously, it's a good idea to use MetaCPAN, because then you will see various issues that might come up. But here you can where somewhere there is a link, somewhere there should be a link. Okay, there's a wish list, right? So I think this one leads to, let me try to open it. So if I open it in a separate tab, this leads to GitHub actually, GitHub and /MetaCPAN, and inside there is the MetaCPAN API with a wish list that you can go over and see what you might be able to help with. You can also visit the main page of the MetaCPAN in GitHub, and inside you can see the various parts of MetaCPAN. So for example, if you're more interested in the front end part, I think, then that's the MetaCPAN web. The back end part is what's called the MetaCPAN API, and there you go. So but when you, by the way, when you're talking about front end, it's not just the HTML, CSS, JavaScript part. It's also a layer of Perl code that talks to the backend API. So anyway, here, once you got here you can also see that there are lots of issues. So you can visit the issues and try to figure out which one might be easy, which one might be difficult, which might interest you, and so. And that's it. So good luck with the contribution. Let me see if I can switch back to the screen. And yeah, so good luck with this contribution. And it would be really lovely if you could comment on the video, or let me know when you finally made some contribution. It will be encouraging both to me and also for the readers. And in any case, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, as definitely needs to be said, and contribute to my Patreon account. Thank you very much. Bye bye.